Hello and welcome to another Pinch Tune FPV episode. Tonight is a very special night, and that's because I am going to reveal what my favorite motor is. I currently have about 5 or 6 sets of this motor. It is not something brand new that just came out. It's actually been around for about 1.5 or 2 years. It is not a very popular KV, but it is a very popular brand, very well renowned, and very high quality. However, because it's not a very popular KV, there's actually a lot of them called a bit of a surplus, which means that they can be had at a good price if you know where to look. Before I get there, smash the like button, subscribe. At the end of this video, I am going to post a flight with these motors and these hands with stick cam so you know it was me. To get to the motor, I'm not so sure I actually want to tell you, because if it gets too popular, it might go up in price, or you guys might deplete the surplus that we have right now on the internet. However, just today I ordered 5 more. Last week I ordered 5 more. I usually order motors in sets of 5 to have spares. I have them on 3 different builds and they're going on 2 more. And this motor can also run 4S, 5S, and 6S pretty efficiently because of the KV it is at. It is not heavy, which means it's not a 2207, but it is a very popular size, just not KV. Alright, let's get to it. Have you clicked the like button yet? Have you subscribed? Do that and we'll get to the motor and the flight footage. It's gonna be epic. The motor is none other. I know a lot of you guys already guessed it, at least the brand. It's a T motor, but not the Pro 3. It is actually the Pro 2 2150. Now, I am sure when they come out with a Pro 3 in this KV, it is going to be even better. But the only Pro 3 2150 they have is the F60, and I'm sure that thing is epic, but I had a bunch of these and I will try the other one soon. 2306, 2207, I'm constantly tossing myself between one and the other. Sometimes I prefer one or the other, but I've kind of settled on 2306 because of this motor. I do know that the Pro 3s are actually 2207.5 and possibly 2306.5, because for some reason going 0.5 millimeters is the new fad. This motor is epic. It is awesome. It really is outstanding for several reasons. It is meant for 5S because it's 2150 kV, and that unfortunately caused it to not be that popular because people either fly 4S or fly 6S, and only the weirdos like me, Stingy, and a few other guys fly 5S. Actually, it's getting a lot more popular now. Even some of the top racers I know and I've heard they've been flying 5S. Thinking Thomas Bin Mata, BMS. I think Sean Taylor has been flying 5S here and there, and possibly even Vanover, I don't know. But anyway, I haven't raced these, so this is the caveat. It's all freestyle. Most of you guys know I am an okay racer. I mostly do freestyle and long range and things like that. Hopefully it'll keep getting faster racing. And I intend to put this motor on a racer and do a couple things. Fly it on 6S with a throttle cap or a throttle limit, which on Flight 1, Falco X, the guys have been working on a way to do a very good throttle cap. Betaflight has it. It's still out. The jury's still out on whether the throttle cap is good or not. There's a video by Barwell about it. I don't think the video, at least his method wasn't very successful, but I'm sure they'll figure it out. It's a big thing right now, and if they haven't figured it out, they will figure it out soon. Unfortunately, on Betaflight, I'm still flying 3.57. I haven't jumped to 4.0 because I haven't cared about it. So we'll see. But on Flight 1, which I'm flying Falco X a lot, I'm going to intend to try the throttle limit. However, on 5S and 4S for cruising, this motor is fantastic. It's very light. It's about 28 grams, point something. excellent high quality, like most all-T motors. And the best part is I don't think I've ever paid more than $22 for this motor. And the reason is some shops will have it for $26. Like that's the usual price for a T-Motor Pro Series. But because there's so many out there and it hasn't been that popular, I usually pay about $22 to $20, and just today I paid $17, I believe, for each of the motors. I'll tell you who I bought them from. In fact, I'll tell you right now. A lot of the sets I bought them from Cyclone FPV in Texas, I want to say. He's had them for $20 a set for quite a while. I bought some from Heli Direct, I believe. And just today, Ready Made RC is liquidating a lot of the stock from flight tests from back when Rotor Riot was run by the flight test people. When they moved to Florida, I guess a lot of stock stayed behind, and they're basically killing off that product at a very cheap price. I got these for $17, and I even got 25 amp KISS ESCs for $17 as well, so that's really good. I have a few builds with it. This is a Reverb by Impulse RC with the KISS V2 everything, 32 amp ESCs, and of course my favorite motor. And I have Hyperlite RS on Falco X Flight 1, 2 of these running this motor, mainly for 5S. The whole 6X experimenting is coming soon. 4S is just going to be a little bit slower. Excellent motor. Just a KV that's not that popular. I'll put links in the descriptions of what I can as far as where to buy them. They're not going to be there forever. You're going to have to start searching for them soon. Hopefully I don't cause them to be sold out, but I want to share them with you guys. Now, go ahead. Click like if you haven't. I said it twice before, but click like. And subscribe now. So let's go ahead and go into the flight footage, and I'll see you in the next one in a few days. Okay, no music, just gonna have to imagine it. Yeah, I got an idea.
You gotta sit on a skateboard at the other end.
Oh, this is on the road, on the sidewalk. I gotta try to do those stops with without prop wash. It's kind of tricky. Like this.
These would be nice though. You can hear the prop wash going in here.
See that? I also gotta remember to like do those like split S's and the other way. Not just. Oh, Paul, can you go back to the south? I don't know what you're doing. Lighting is not also the best to get all juicy with the motion, even though I have like a really dark UV filter. But I'm also at 30 frames per second, so it makes it even harder. Oh, there you hear the beat. it's gonna might want to park, but there's a big flying blender right now. You might want to stay away.
But if he walks through the middle and you buzz his head, then he'll have something to complain about.
Yeah.
I got something to complain about.
Woo! I think my battery's done. Let's see if I can revive that GoPro. I need more batteries for it. I'm sure that's what it is. Because that GoPro's been fine. Where's the guy?
He went under that corner tree over there. He's sitting
Oh,
on
I
the
see
tree
his
now.
head
See his
now.
head sticking out?
Yeah.